What's good, everybody? It's Vaughn, and you know, this is where you get that knowledge that you don't get in college. And today, I'm gonna tell you exactly how you can make $900 in just 30 seconds. Don't believe me? Just watch. So first off, if you're new to this channel, hello. And if you're an existing subscriber, I won't forget to mention that I appreciate your attention. I want to let you guys know that I have a sweet treat.
Oh my God! Wow!
So if you're feeling feeble, go ahead and scroll down into the description below and click the link next to WeBull and just go ahead and collect them 12 stocks so your pocket won't be filled with rocks. All you have to do is open your account, deposit any amount, and you have an opportunity to win up to 12 free stocks. I mean, can't get better than that. I haven't been very consistent with my content, and it's mainly because I've been my own biggest critic. To be honest, it's because I've been making a bunch of excuses. I want this to be perfect. I want that to be perfect. Don't want to edit. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do that. All of that isn't going to get anyone anywhere, especially me. So now I'm going to get out of my way, focus on providing content because I have a lot of information in here that I need to get out there. Right now, we are at a very important point in time. The things that you do today are going to have a tremendous impact on your future. Although it may seem like there's a lot of turmoil in the markets, that there's a lot of uncertainty, that also means that there's a lot of opportunity. And if you capitalize on the opportunities that are out there today, you will be able to reap the benefits in the future. Time waits for no man, and a man without a plan is just gonna be playing in the sand. I don't know about you, but I ain't his fan. You gotta sit down, make a plan, and just execute. With that said, I want to go ahead and explain to you exactly how you can make $900 in just 30 seconds. The way that you're going to do this is by applying for this business credit card. Just because it's a business credit card does not mean that you actually have to have a business. However, it's more beneficial if you actually own a business and you apply for this credit card to take advantage of the promotion. But if you don't and you just want to get a sole proprietor, you can also apply for this card with your social security number. In a little bit, I'm going to get on the computer and I'm going to show you exactly how you can apply for this credit card and exactly what the sign-up bonus is. What you do need in order to qualify for this credit card is at least a 680 credit score. If you have a 720 or higher, that's going to be excellent. At minimum, you want to have at least a 680. In order to get the sign-up bonus, there is going to be a minimum spend requirement. If you want me to tell you one of the strategies that I use in order to hit these sign-up bonuses in another video, just go ahead and type sign-up bonus in the comments below. And if I'm able to get 25 comments, then I'll go ahead and drop another video explaining one of my strategies that I use to hit these high minimum spends and obtain the sign-up bonus. Enough of that. I'm gonna go ahead and get on the laptop and show you guys exactly how we're gonna do this. All right, so what you're gonna have to do is go on to chase.com, then click business. Right on the front page, they're advertising to you right away $900 bonus cashback. So this is one of the two credit cards. So you have the Chase Inc. Unlimited card and the Chase Inc. Cash. So the Chase Inc. Unlimited gives you 1.5% back on all of your transactions. So this one is a good card to use for any of your miscellaneous expenses. But the minimum spend to hit the sign-up bonus is $6,000. And like I said, if you comment sign up bonus in the comments below, all I need is 25. I will give you guys one of the tactics that I use in order to hit these sign up bonuses without having to spend any money out of pocket. You can apply as a guest. All you gotta do is fill out this information. And voila, you'll be able to make $900 in 30 seconds. The Chase Ink Cash is another card that you can apply for if you want to get the $900. And if you're going to sign up for either of these cards, just go ahead and click the link in the description below and it'll take you right to the website. So I'm making it nice and easy for you so that you eliminate all of those steps and you could just go ahead and apply for either of the cards right through that link. So the Chase Ink Cash card is very good if you shop at a lot of office supply stores, or if you want to put your internet cable or phone service on this card, because you'll get 5% back in that category, and you'll also get 2% back at gas stations and restaurants. So if you wanted to put all of those expenses on this card, then you could maximize those cashback categories. This is the highest that I've seen this sign-up bonus ever. I believe I have both of these cards, and when I signed up for these cards, I believe I got $750. So 900 is definitely a sweet deal. And the thing is that if you have the trifecta, the Chase Ink Cash, the Chase Ink Unlimited, and the Chase Ink Preferred, then that $900 cash back is actually worth $1,125 if you had the Chase Ink Preferred and you were to redeem that for travel or any of the other categories where your points are valued at more. The Chase Ultimate Rewards points are the best points on the market, in my opinion, just because of the versatility and the travel partners that Chase has, and the ability to get more value out of your points. It's just unmatched by these other card programs. But as I said earlier, if you like to take advantage of this promotion, you could go ahead and click the link in the description below and sign up for the card that best suits your situation. If you like this video, go ahead and click the thumbs up. If you know someone that would find this information useful, go ahead and share it. Sharing is caring. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel. Once again, I'd like to thank you for supporting my channel and watching this video. I really appreciate it. But that's all, folks.